Hi everyone, trying to access your USB drive and it asks you to format the drive, and when you try to format the drive you get this error: Windows was unable to complete the format. So let's see how we can fix this issue. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type disk part and hit enter. Now type list disk and hit enter. From here, determine your USB drive and accordingly select the disk number. Then type select disk 1 and hit enter. Now type clean and hit enter. Once disk part succeeds in cleaning the disk, simply open the run dialog box. You can press Win key plus R to open it and type disk mgmt.msc and click on OK. From the console here, you will see something similar in black. That is your USB drive. Simply right click over it and click on New Simple Volume. Click on Keeping Next and click on Finish. And wait for the process to finish. Once the drive formats successfully, it will open up automatically. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.